So let's talk about some success stories and we'll get out of here, guys. Number one is I want to talk about my friend Jake. A lot of you know Jake from these meetings. Jake is in chapter 8 of my book. For those of you that haven't read my book, shame on you. No, I'm just kidding. I would love for you to do that. Jake, when I met Jake, Jake and I actually went to rehab and shared a room back in 1999. Now, Jake needed to go back out there for a little while. I did not, by the grace of God, need to do that. The story of Jake flooding his house and how him and I reconnected is pretty cool in chapter 8 of my book. But even further than that, down the road, we became great friends. He was in a very, very high-paying career. And you know what? He felt empty inside. It had nothing to do with the Lord. He's been plugged into the Lord, but he felt empty as far as the way he was earning his income. He didn't feel like it was his calling. And he came to me and he said, hey, I really want to learn what you're doing in real estate. So he's a great friend. I made some resources available to him. He's a phenomenal action taker. And, I won't speak for him on how many houses, but he owns a lot of houses as rentals over in Arizona at this point. He's been very, very successful. I think it's somewhere in the ballpark of 60. He's had sober living homes. He's also migrated into multifamily. We've partnered on a couple of projects. He's done his own projects there in Phoenix. And he has been just a phenomenal person to mentor and a phenomenal person to take through the process into, from where he was, and which was, in the eyes of the world, very successful. 6 figures, income, all the benefits, beautiful home, beautiful family, but knew that there was a better way that he could survive than just working for somebody else and being a high income earner. So today he's living the life of his dreams, guys. It's an amazing, amazing story. I look forward to his book coming out, but it's just a privilege and an honor to be able to say that I've been a part of him coming to the next level.